Hello everyone, welcome to Google Chrome tips and tricks. In this video we are going to see what to do if you get an error while browsing Chrome browser that the clock onto your system is either ahead or behind the actual time. So whenever we are browsing through the internet, this thing we might not notice, but it is very important, and that is the time of your system, of your computer. And if it is ahead the original time or if it is behind in the original time, then you might not be able to browse through the internet using Chrome or any browser. So how to fix this issue? First of all, you need to click on this clock icon that is present onto your status bar. Just right click on this and you will get this option to adjust date and time. So let's just click on that, and this would open up this date and time option in the settings. So over here what you need to do is make sure that the set time automatically option is toggled to on. Then you need to go to this option, synchronize your clock, and click on sync now. So now what will it do? It would just sync your clock with the latest time. Next, what you can do is, if you are in a different time zone and a different time zone is shown over here, you can just click here manually and set the time zone you are currently in. That's it. That should be able to do the trick, and your time would now be synced to the actual time and you would be able to browse in Chrome. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.